there, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care, and in this video we're going to be talking about the mixing of the A and B components in the Pallmann range. So what I have here is a mixing cup that Ultimate Floor Care now stocks from Pallmann, which will give you the millilitres of product that you're going to put in here to put onto the floor, and we also have the ratio you will mix. Now if you're working with the Magic Oil range, anything that hasn't got pigment in, for instance your Ergo and your Magic Oil Original, will be a 10:1 ratio, so 10:1 on here, and anything that has got pigment in will be a 4:1 ratio, so things like your Magic Oil Pure and your Magic Oil White and Spa. When you're working with your lacquers, all of the 2K components that you're mixing an A and a B with is going to be a 10:1 ratio mix. Let's go over to the other table and I'll just briefly talk about how you're going to measure it. So here is your measuring jug. On here you have your millilitres going from 100 up to 1100. The way you have to measure this is from the inside of the cup. So if you see here we have a 4:1, which you'll use most often depending on the finish you use, and we also have a 10:1, which is here. Now on the side here as well you have a measurement of your A and then your B. So for instance, if we look at the millilitres, if you look at how much your product takes per square metre, the millilitres per square metre, you can then work out roughly how much millilitre you need to put in. And when it comes up to the A ratio, you then fill it up to the B. So a brilliant way of, instead of guesstimating, actually measuring how much of the B component you're going to put in the A to get the right mixture of hardener and part A. So there's the explanation on how to use the measuring cups, and depends on which product you're using, depends on what the ratio is. It's always so important to get the right mix between the A and the B hardener for drying times, and also for it to get its final strength and prolong the life of the wooden floor. For all the details on the measuring cups and the Magic Oil range, just click the link below.